Today we make a wonderful weight loss drink from only 3 ingredients, and that ingredients are easily available at the green market. By drinking this recipe, you can lose 30 kilograms per month. To prepare the recipe, we will need 1 big size cucumber. Take 1 cucumber and wash it well with water and baking soda. And then cut the cucumber into small slices. Cucumbers can be a great addition to a weight loss plan for several reasons. Cucumbers are very low in calories, with about 16 calories per cup. This makes them a great option for those looking to reduce their calorie intake without feeling deprived. Cucumbers are made up of about 95% water. High water content can help you feel full and hydrated, which may reduce overall calorie consumption. They contain some dietary fiber, particularly in the skin. Fiber helps with digestion and can aid in feelings of fullness, which can prevent overeating. Cucumbers are low in carbs, which can be beneficial for those following low-carb diets. Staying well hydrated is important for weight loss, as sometimes thirst can be mistaken for hunger. Cucumbers contribute to your daily water intake, which supports overall health and weight management. While low in calories, cucumbers contain vitamins and minerals like vitamin K, potassium, and magnesium, which support overall health and can make it easier to stick to a healthy eating plan. Our second ingredient is ginger. Take a piece of ginger and wash it well. Peel the ginger and cut into small slices. Ginger is often touted as a beneficial food for weight loss due to its various effects on metabolism and appetite. Ginger can increase metabolic rate, which helps your body burn more calories. Some studies suggest that ginger enhances thermogenesis, heat production in the body, which can lead to increased calorie expenditure. Ginger aids in digestion by increasing the production of digestive juices and enzymes. Better digestion can help your body process nutrients more efficiently and prevent bloating and constipation. Ginger may help regulate appetite. Some research suggests it can help reduce feelings of hunger and lower calorie intake, which could assist in weight management. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation can be linked to weight gain and difficulty losing weight. Ginger may help stabilize blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity. Stable blood sugar levels can prevent energy crashes and reduce cravings for sugary, high-calorie foods. Ginger can enhance feelings of fullness and reduce the urge to snack between meals. This can help reduce overall calorie consumption. Our third ingredient is lemon juice. Take 3 lemons and wash it well, then cut the lemons and squeeze the juice from it. Lemon is often included in weight loss plans due to its various potential benefits. Lemons are very low in calories, making them a great addition to your diet without significantly increasing your calorie intake. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant that supports overall health and can help boost metabolism. Adequate vitamin C levels are also important for the body's fat-burning processes. Lemon water can be a tasty way to increase your fluid intake. Staying well hydrated is crucial for metabolism and can help prevent mistaking thirst for hunger. Some studies suggest that the polyphenols in lemons can help increase metabolic rate. Enhanced metabolism can lead to more efficient calorie burning. While the concept of detox is often debated, lemon water is thought to support liver function and help flush out toxins from the body. A well-functioning liver can improve overall metabolic health. Drinking lemon water may help increase feelings of fullness. It can be a useful strategy to reduce calorie intake and curb the desire for snacks. Lemon juice can stimulate the production of digestive juices and bile, which can aid digestion and prevent issues like bloating and constipation. Then add all the ingredients in the blender. Then add 3 cups of water. After this, turn on the blender and grind all the ingredients well. Finally, our healthy juice is ready. Now we will strain this mixture using a strainer. If you don't have a strainer, then you can also use a piece of cloth. This amount is enough for 3 days. Pour the juice into a cup. From which country do you watching this video? Leave in the comment. How to take this drink. Drink 1 glass of this drink every day on empty stomach, and your belly fat will be completely melt. Share with someone who need it, and drop a yes, I will try it. Also subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.